Hi everyone, I'm Ray and welcome to my kitchen. Today I have something so exciting to share with you. We're going to make the easiest smoothie you have ever made in your life today. And I want to show you, I'm so excited about this, I could hardly wait to get home and show it to you. I found this at Costco. So this is from a company called Clovis Farms. And this is an organic super smoothie mix. And it comes in this gigantic wrapper. And I didn't really know what to expect. I thought all these wonderful ingredients, the blueberries and strawberries and raspberries and spinach and kale and banana, were all going to be just loose in this big container. But no, they come in 6 individual pre-measured smoothies style packets. So it makes this smoothie so easy. This is found in the freezer section at Costco, and I highly recommend you give it a shot. I wanted to come on camera and share this with you today just to show you how quick and how easy this delicious smoothie is. So we are going to dive right in. We are going to use a plant-based milk, and I am using a brand called Oat Milk, and this is basically just oats and water and a little bit of Himalayan salt. And I like to use 2 cups of this. The manufacturer Clovis Farms recommends is they recommend 1.5 cups of apple juice and then just the fruit, which is good. I tried it that way, but I'm going to jazz it up just a little bit. It's just as easy and it makes it a little bit better. And then we're going to put in 1 packet of this wonderful organic super smoothie mix. Again, Clovis Farms, Costco, delicious. And I am going to put in 1 scoop, just 1 scoop of organic cottage cheese. And what this cottage cheese does to this smoothie is it makes it so creamy. It's so delicious. Now the other thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add a couple other things, and this has bananas in it, but I find it's not enough banana to my liking. So I am going to add a banana to this. Oh, I'm using a frozen banana, and I have these in the freezer. When they get kind of ripe, I peel them, I wrap them up in plastic wrap, and I put them in the freezer so they're ready for smoothies. And the other thing I'm going to add is just 1 scoop of my date paste. And what I like about adding the date paste to this concoction is that it just sweetens it up enough so it tastes like a creamy milkshake. Now, you can do it without the date paste. You could do it without the extra added banana. You could just follow the manufacturer's directions and you cannot go wrong. I just find that adding these other little ingredients, a banana, a scoop of cottage cheese, and a scoop of date paste makes it taste that much better. So let's start on low, and then we'll crank it up. And we just want to go until everything is very well combined. Now, how long you blend this is totally up to you. I like to let it go for about a minute or 2 for sure. And I like my smoothies kind of thick and frothy. If you like your smoothies a little bit less thick, then you'll probably want to add a little bit of either water or a little bit more milk. But mine kind of are more milkshakey, and that's the way I like them. So let's see. Oh yeah, let's have a taste. Delicious. A meal in less than 5 minutes. This is so delicious. You got to try it. The cottage cheese gives it some protein. So it's like having a protein smoothie without adding powders and, crazy ingredients. It's all fresh, whole, organic food. What I love about this blend is that you get spinach, you get kale, and then you get some delicious fruits all in 1 glass. So, and we've talked about the benefits of all those foods before. Loaded with vitamin C, polyphenols, anti-inflammatory ingredients, just so delicious and creamy. I hope you're going to try it. Cheers, everybody.